We came off the oil field recovering from 24/7 work. It's in the shape of Texas.
That's really cute. Oh, he's getting a rub on that poor bush. That is funny. So where's the beef? Right there. Sunday.
It's Sunday the 29th.
The week before he is risen.
So this is
Easter.
Palm Sunday.
That's right. And hey, it's our Sojourners journey here.
Where
are we?
We came off the oil field on the 24th. So we've been here at Aubrey RV Park.
It used to be called Texas Ranch.
For a month, recovering from 24/7 work.
I'm tired, boss.
Getting some stuff done on the RV, getting some stuff done on the truck. Had to have two major repairs on the truck.
Yes. We knew the truck needed some work. They'd given us some signs of it while we were in the West Texas desert. But we just prayed and hoped that we would make it until we were, one, we had enough money built up, and two, that we were in Dallas where we could get, there's a lot more people that do work on the trucks.
And then after that first repair, we found out it needed something else. And we're heading up to North Dakota for our next job. I think what we've decided, the next time we have an extended time off, like when we come back to DFW for Thanksgiving, is probably no more than 2 weeks of relaxation, and then try and find some little bit of work here and there, not only to offset the cost, if we can get for just our downtime a little bit of net zero, where your budget is just at as minimum as you can make it, but making enough money so that you're not draining into your savings.
It's all God's money anyways. 2026 and probably all of 2027, we're going to be heavily concentrating on working.
And moving into 2027, our new schedule of what we think might work. We're going to try that out.
Yeah.
3 to 5 months. Take a couple of months off. 3 to 5 months. Take a couple of months off. So that we're taking summer off to head up to Canada.
Yeah.
And winter off for any other visitations portside. Want to do the RV show.
And then right across from the storage buildings are, I'd say these are the more solid lots. The roof is super solid, but you're close together in there. But these are people that are probably really staying a long time. Extended stays. It's a very nice RV park.
There's probably people who live here.
Yeah, year round.
You own your RV and parked it here. This is a cheap rent, especially for the DFW area.
Yeah.
You're not gonna find mortgage for $700 a month.
No, that's for covered parts too.
And this is open expanse.
Let's go take them to the pool. Nice little pool. That is.
I don't think they're open yet. They're probably gonna wait till what, Memorial Day or
Memorial Day. But
yes,
anyways,
that's in the shape of Texas.
It's in the shape of Texas, yeah. That's really cute. But it looks comfortable. Got nice chairs. This is the laundry room here. There's two types. This laundry is card only. It's $1.75 for both. Here's where we do mail pickup.
The mailbox. You can have your parcels delivered here.
Are here.
Office is closed.
Here's our box, which is really nice. It's got everything. You can tell people live here all year round because they've wrapped, the poles are already pre-wrapped. Many people that stay here over the winter put one of those covers over top of the whole water thing. And then of course have heated water hoses. But this is our nice box, monitoring our electric. And there's those lights that I said are on top of every single one of the electric poles. So yeah, we feel really blessed. It's been very peaceful. Must be some sweet grass down there in the corner. They're all they're all moving and, well, somebody's looking at us. Checking us out, man. Oh, there's more than one somebody looking at us. Hello. They're on the move. Oh, he's getting a rub on that poor bush.
Right on it. Yeah. That's delicious.
That is funny. Is there better grass over there, guys? Moo. Lots of babies in there. Lots of baby bulls. Girls and boys. One of the reasons we think this is a great RV park. Yeah, there's a main road right over there. But we got this between us and the main road. For the night, when they start hollering to open the gate.
Baby, run.
They're so cute. So where's the beef?
Hey, where's the beef?
Right there.
Morning.
It's morning where we are. We are on our way to our summer job.